Good morning, class 2 students. How are you all? It's your science class and I'm your teacher, Miss Farah. Okay, unit number 2 has been completed with complete understanding, and now we are going to start unit number 3. We have done the kinds of animals. Now we will talk about the plants. And as you know that plants are very much important in our life to keep our atmosphere clean and give us fresh air with proper means or with oxygen. And I think plants are very much fascinating to our eyes because of greenery. You can see how beautiful plants are over here. Everyone enjoys in the park or the greenery, trees, flowers, these all things. Okay, unit number 3, plants, on page number 19. Let's start the reading. Okay, like humans and animals, plants are also living things. How the plants are living things? Means if they need what? Air, sunlight, water, proper things. Means if minerals, if we will not give the proper these things to the plants, means the food of the plant, so the plants will destroy completely. For example, means for plants are all around us. You must have seen different types of plants. Means there are different types of plants. First of all, there are some parts of plants. Means a plant have different parts. So we will discuss the part of plant. For example, there is a plant. Over here you can see. So how we'll differentiate the parts of plant? Flowers. Where are the flowers in the plant? Can you see? Yellowish, yes. These are the flowers. Flowers grow on the stem. They make fruits. Means before fruit, there will be the flower on the plant. Stem. This is the stem, and on the stem, the flowers, they grow on the stem. They make fruits. Okay, leaf. The green part is leaf, makes food for the plant. They make food for the plant. Okay. Or what about this red one? The fruits. Fruits have seeds inside them. They have seeds inside them, and by using these seeds we can grow another plant of this fruit. Clear? The stem. This is the stem. Takes water and minerals from the roots to the leaves. Stem is the main part that takes water and minerals from the roots to the leaves. It gives to the leaves. Then leaf make food for the plant. Before this, there will be the flower. What is the procedure? First of all, means at the end there are roots, and roots grow in the soil. They take up water and minerals from the soil. Clear? First of all, we'll start from the root and how the plant grow from the root to the leaf. Roots, they grow in soil and they take up water and minerals. This is the underground part of the plant. Roots are the underground part of the plant, and from soil, when we give water to the soil, so from getting the minerals as well as the water and other things, the roots, they take up water and minerals from the soil, and after that a stem pick all these things, minerals and water from the roots. After that, stem transfer it to the leaves. Clear? To the Okay, we have done the complete understanding of the plant, parts of the plant. So one by one we will discuss these parts. First of all, on page number 22, 21, leaves. As you know that different plants have different kinds of leaves. Leaves are of many shapes and sizes. You can see different trees as well as on these trees the different leaves. They may be big, small, round or long. For example, you can see a banana leaf and neem leaf, the tree of neem leaf. You can see the difference between the size or the shape of the leaves. Banana leaf is different from the neem leaf. And there is a water lily leaf. You can see a round shape and a cut in a center. Clear? So we can see the different types of leaves on the plants or trees or with different sizes. And what are their function? To make food, or leaves have the important job of making food for the plant. As I have told you that in plant means after when roots get minerals from the soil or water from the soil, the stem gets all these things also, and after that leaf get these minerals and make the flowers and fruits after it. And after that fruit means a very important part or job of making food for the plant. Clear? What is the function of the leaves? Making food for the plant. Leaves have the important job of making food for the plant. Clear? Okay. We eat leaves of some plants too. For example, spinach and lettuce. There is no picture on the book, but I have over here. You can see spinach leaf, and we cook these leaves properly and then we eat. It's very delicious. Clear? These are the spinach leaves. And after that, lettuce leaf, we use it in salad as well, and we eat it properly before, or means without cooking it. So we eat leaves of some plants too. The example of these are lettuce and spinach. Clear?